Hi! In front of me is ZTE Blade A32, and today I would like to show you how you can disable Google Passwords Autofill. Begin by going into Devices Settings and scrolling all the way down to access Google section. Now tap on Autofill. Autofill with Google, Surface click, and blue sweater next to use Autofill with Google. So when I do that, as you can see, my sweater and all of those features are gray. That means that Autofill is disabled, but you can always enable it by clicking on gray sweater at the top. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!